We're here at the Nagoya Castle. No? This guy was a samurai daw. He was ordering yung workers yung construction ng castle. No? His name is Kato Kiyomasa, renowned samurai who was ordered to supervise the construction of the stone walls and the castle towers. So these are yung Nagoya Castle grounds. If you observe, ito mga tubig to eh. No? Part of the defensive fortifications, tubig, water. Of course, dry na ngayon. Then you have yung walls, you know. You go here. 4,000 stones. Centuries na mga kahoy na siguro to. Going inside. Lunch time. Medyo malamig na. These are yung walls. Ito yung entrance. Tingnan natin. Nagoya Castle features Ishigaki. Oh, yan. Ito yung grounds. Now we go here. Uy, ganda. Nandito yung dalawang Pilipino samurai. Pasok tayo sa loob. Dito? Dito muna tayo. Dito muna tayo. Ganda ng sun, backyards ba? No? So we're entering castle grounds. No? Natin. Here. Uy. May mga samurai kaya gusto magpa-picture sa samurais. Main entrance. Dito pa lang pagpasok mo, both sides may makalaban ka na eh. Paano mag-survive si Naruto dito, Kers? Ha? Natapos 1612. Wow. Okay.